More than 3 weeks have passed since Sushant Singh Rajput has left for his heavenly abode. The Mumbai police is in charge of investigating his death case. On June 14th, the late actor was found hanging in his Bandra home. His postmortem report said that he had died of asphyxia or death due to hanging. Well, many people are not happy with the investigation of the Mumbai police and have raised a demand for a CBI inquiry into his death case. Thanks to the host of BJP leaders, actors like Kangana Ranaut and Shekhar Suman, along with some fans of the late actor. They're ideally fanning the theory that Sushant Singh Rajput was an outsider in the Bollywood industry, and because of that, Bollywood biggies tried to demoralize him in every possible way, which provoked him to take such a drastic step like suicide. They even feel that the Bollywood biggies have all the resources to control and manipulate the Mumbai police, and therefore they have demanded a CBI inquiry into this matter. The hashtag PM Modi CBI for SSR was trending on Twitter last Monday. And this is how the death of Sushant Singh Rajput has taken a political turn. Actress Kangana Ranaut took to Twitter and wrote, "This is not the end, this is just a beginning. Protest in Naihati, Bengal against Bollywood nepotism mafia." She posted it along with the hashtag PM Modi CBI for SSR. Well, few days back, a CBI investigation was requested through a Twitter account. It seemed that it belonged to Sushant's father, KK Singh's, but later the account turned out to be fake. Who are the ones who are creating these fake accounts? The answer is unknown. But it is evident from the situation that the untimely demise of Sushant Singh Rajput has become a political football. On June 18th, Jharkhand BJP MP Nishikant Dubey was among the first few people who has asked for CBI investigation into the matter. Nishikant Dubey made a video and posted on Twitter where he was heard speaking about movie mafia. The next day, Kangana Ranaut has been seen speaking on the same. Well, it's needless to mention that Kangana Ranaut is a prominent BJP supporter. Not only that, BJP supporters frequently attacked those film personalities whom Kangana criticized publicly. Notably, Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh has come up with an article titled "Bollywood Mafia Dark Underbelly of the Film Industry." Bihar-born actor Shekhar Suman has also raised his voice for a CBI inquiry into Sushant's death case. Notably, Sandeep Singh accompanied Suman in this matter. He is the one who bankrolled the 2019 Narendra Modi biopic. Prominent BJP leader from Bengal, Rupa Ganguly, has also raised her voice demanding a CBI inquiry into this matter. Friends, do you feel that the death of Sushant Singh Rajput has turned out to be a political football? Comment and let us know about what you feel. For more such updates, stay tuned to Sharmila Showhouse Bollywood.
I think, Sharmila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Sharmila Showhouse.
It's absolutely fantastic to appear on Sharmila Show for the very first time, and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
Great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Showhouse because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
आत्मविश्वास होना, अपने से प्यार हो तो कोई भी बाधा बड़ी नहीं लगेगी आपको.
Keep watching Sharmila Showhouse. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
I think she's different at different places.
Be progressive, be positive, do yourself, understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Varun Sukhi and you're watching Sharmila's Show House.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
हाय, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर।
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila's Show House.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Show House.
Thank you for having me here.
So all the viewers of Sharmila Show House, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Show House.